Welcome to Lesson 3A. The next set of lessons with the number 3 plus a letter are going to be focused on specific muscles. In this lesson, we're going to learn about the trapezius muscle, how to shrug it, work it out, and stretch it. As you can see, the trapezius starts at the base of your skull, goes down over your shoulders, and into the middle of your back. When someone gives you a shoulder rub, they're rubbing your trapezius. Anytime you've seen someone shrug their shoulders and say, "I don't know," they're working their trapezius muscle. Remember, when you contract your muscle, you're making it shorter. And when you bring your shoulders up, you're contracting your trapezius. If you've ever carried a heavy bag for a while, you know what a sore trapezius feels like. Let's take another look at how your trapezius connects from your head down to your shoulders and eventually to the middle of your back. Next, let's talk about how we work our trapezius out in the weight room. This is a shrugging motion with dumbbells. Notice how his shoulders come up toward his ears, or her shoulders come up toward her ears. There are many ways to shrug and work your trapezius. You can use a barbell. You can use a square bar. You can use kettlebells. Here's a low cable. You could even use a resistance band. The next question I usually get is, which one's the best way? Well, they're all the best way. There is no one best way. Mix it up. Change it up. That's the best way. Variety is best. Take a look at some of the other ways you can work out your trapezius. Though a shrug is the most common way, there are other ways to work it out. Take a look at the image on the right side, the bigger picture. That movement is called an upright row. It is a more complicated lift, and it does involve the deltoids. But it does add to the variety of a trapezius movement. Keeping in mind that a variety of movements are the best way to weight train, sometimes people who lift want to know how to isolate a specific muscle. In other words, how do they focus on the muscle that they're trying to work out? To isolate the trapezius without involving other back muscles, do a shrug. A common cardio movement that involves the trapezius is jumping rope. Even though jumping rope is considered to be cardio, holding a rope up for a long period of time definitely makes your trapezius burn. When we're working out our trapezius, we cannot forget the most important thing, which is to stretch. A warm up or a cool down at the end is really important, and we can do this with a good long stretch. So take a look at the images above and get an idea of how you want to warm up or cool down before and after your trapezius workout. This concludes Lesson 3A, Trapezius. Don't forget to take the quiz. See you next time.